10 tips to type easier and faster on your iPhone if you hate typing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you hate typing on your iPhone, then these tricks will make it way faster and less annoying for you. So, first things first, open your keyboard and here tap on the mic icon on the bottom right of your screen and go ahead and speak your message and then tap on the done option on the top right of your screen, and with this your message will be typed, and this works for messages, notes, and social apps. Next, you can turn on one-handed keyboard, so go ahead and tap on the globe icon on the bottom left of your screen and then choose left or right side keyboard for your keyboard layout, and see it is greater for bigger iPhones. Next, you can go ahead and launch the settings application and then tap on general and then on keyboard. Here, navigate to text replacement and then tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen. And now you can go ahead and add shortcuts such as OMW for on my way or BRB for be right back, and this will replace your text automatically. Next, you can hold the spacebar on your iPhone and your keyboard will turn into a trackpad, so you can move the cursor precisely and simply navigate to that particular text you are looking forward to change. Also, instead of tapping for letters, you can simply swipe to type. So slide your fingers across the letters and lift when done. And this is the built-into keyboard feature, and you will not have to keep typing single letters. Next, you can double tap for a space or a period. So simply double tap the space bar and it will add a full stop to your sentence automatically. You can then go ahead and shake to undo. So if you have made a mistake, you can simply shake your iPhone and you will receive a notification. Tap on the undo option in order to shake to undo. Next, open settings again and then tap on general and then on keyboard again. Here, make sure the toggle button for predictive is on, and if not, then toggle on the toggle button for predictive, and this will suggest full words so you type less. Next, you can also use keyboard shortcuts for symbols, so you can use dot for quick punctuation, you can use dollar for currency option, you can use letters for accent marks, and then go ahead and open settings again and then tap on general and then tap on keyboard. Here you can toggle off the toggle button for autocorrection if it annoys you. You can toggle on the toggle button for slide to type, and you can toggle on the toggle for dictation like before. So these were a few ways on how you can type easier and faster on your iPhone if you hate typing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.